as this is the way you can take screenshot in Macbook, and I will guide you different ways in this video. Welcome to tutorials.globally.com. Let's see how to take screenshot in Macbook. For your better understanding, I am creating a new folder here. You have different options to capture screenshot in Macbook. In your keyboard, just press Command, Shift, and 5 button at the same time. After that, you will see this menu. Like you can capture entire screen. Also, you can select a specific window, or you can also take screenshot of a selected area. As you can see, for your better understanding, I'm showing you a demo. Here is our screenshot. If you want to take screenshot of any selected area without opening the menu, just press 3 keys from your keyboard, Command, Shift, N for only. At the same time, now select the area which you want to capture. Now let's see our captured screenshots. For more easy to understand tutorials, you can visit tutorials.globally.com.